Hello guys, welcome to another amazing lecture. I remain your instructor Great. In this lecture, we will be installing the necessary tools that we'll be needing for our project. So the necessary tools we'll be installing today will be Node, So visiting Node using nodejs.org. So currently as you can see, we have two different installation packages. We have the one that is recommended for most users, and we have the latest feature. But for the purpose of this lecture, we will be downloading the recommended one for most users for this project. So the next thing we'll be downloading is our Visual Studio Code editor. The Visual Studio Code editor is what we'll be using for this project because it is free and provided by Microsoft, and it is one of the best code editors out there. For us to download Visual Studio Code, we type code visualstudio.com. If you guys cannot see it, I will provide a link in the resource material for you to be able to download. So as you can see, our node has successfully downloaded. So we're waiting for our Visual Studio Code to download. Okay, our Visual Studio Code has started downloading. So this could take a while depending on the speed of your network. Okay, by the time you are done downloading both files, you can go to your download folder to access the files that you've downloaded so that you can be able to install them on your computer. Okay, for you to install it, you double click on the file you've downloaded, and the installation process is quite simple and straightforward. You can actually confirm the version you've installed in your node by clicking your Windows button to access command prompt. Click on command prompt and type on node -v to know the version and to confirm that your node was successfully installed. Then for your Visual Studio Code, you can go ahead and launch the Visual Studio Code to ensure that it's also completely installed. Join me as we go over to the next class as we create our project folder for this lecture. See you there.